Golf Cart Garage gets a ton of calls and emails just like this one.
I'm looking at a new golf cart and charger, but I'm concerned about the time and money and work it takes to keep those batteries charged all the time. What can I do to make it easier?
So it's time to Ask Dave right now on GCG TV.
Hi everyone, welcome and thank you for joining us at golfcartgarage.com. Today on GCG TV, we're covering the basics on charging. Sometimes we hear from customers considering the purchase of an electric cart or a new charger that have concerns regarding the investment in time and work and money that can be required to keep batteries charged. Maybe you're a snowbird that needs storage charging. Maybe you don't use your cart every day, or you only have a cart at work. Maybe, like me, you're just incredibly lazy, or there's a Law and Order marathon on TV. Ooh, something shiny. And even just a few years ago, these were valid reasons to consider a gas-powered cart. But today's charger is far more sophisticated and makes all these concerns a thing of the past. It's more compact and lightweight. It charges better and faster. It has automatic trickle or storage charging for when you're away, and it comes with a 4-year warranty. There's even an app you can download on your phone that lets you control it and see how much charging time is left. Basically, the Summit 2 model chargers that we carry do everything for your cart batteries that you'd hire someone to do, except fill them with water. We want to help you with your concerns about charging or anything else you may need. So come ask Dave in person next time. Stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call, 1-800-401-2934. Or if you send an email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com, the next question that we answer could be yours. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCG TV.